The concept of thinking in standard parts was covered in an earlier video. You can find a link to the Thinking in Standard Parts video in the description. In this video, I'm going to give you practical tips for how you can start thinking in standard parts as part of your regular design process. The first step to thinking in standard parts is to ask your team what parts you can reuse that already exist in your database. You must start communicating with your team when you create a part that other engineers in your department may be able to use in their designs. Have you recently created or downloaded a part that can be reused in your coworkers' assemblies? Start a dialogue with them about how that part may be useful in their future design work. I'm going to give you 3 questions to ask to get started, but there are several more listed in the description of this video. When starting a new assembly, ask your team the following questions. How can we use more standard parts or reuse parts we already have in our system for this assembly? How can we design this assembly to use parts we already have in our database? How can we modify this design to reuse more screws, brackets, bearings, or similar simple parts in this assembly? By creating a habit of asking these questions, you can start to design your assemblies with reuse in mind from the beginning rather than seeing reuse as an afterthought. By reusing more parts in your assemblies, you're going to cut costs and speed up your time to market.